Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ike, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to cut your own closure lace. Yeah, if you want to know how to do that, do keep on watching. And please, before we continue, do subscribe to my channel and like this video. So the first thing to make sure or take note of is to make sure your lace is gridded properly. You want it to run straight and not from the side, you understand? Like, let it run from the top to the bottom. Yes, so I'll be using this lace material I got from the market. They mostly sell it in fabric shops, but you can get these online too. So to make this, you need a Swiss lace, a pair of scissors, measuring tape, an eye pencil or a concealer for marking actually, or if you have a chalk, then make use of that too. And you need a concealer brush if you're making use of a concealer. So I actually bought this on the day I bought the Swiss lace, but this one is so stiff so I couldn't use it. So we're going to be using the measuring tape and we're going to be using the part that is spaced out. So today I'm going to be making a 4x4 closure. So do observe what I'm doing. It's very easy and self-explanatory. What you want to do once you measure out your 4 inches is to mark it using your concealer or eye pencil. So when you're measuring 4x4, just leave little space. I added ½ inch based on I will need to sew it at the end. Yes, so I'm measuring the other part and I'm making it 5 inches because I'm going to be cutting off the front. You know that part they cut off after making a closure? Yes, that front part. That is why you need to leave about half or 1 or 2 more spacing. So this is what it's looking like. I'm just trimming off this part that is not even. So after doing that, just clear everything and make sure it's looking nice. Okay, next I'm trying to cut out the side, to create like a curve. So I'm just folding it into 2. This is the easiest way. So you're going to get an even cutting. So I'm just cutting it. Yeah, it's already looking good, as you can see. So you can go ahead to actually sew it like this to your wig cap, or you can actually use a machine to sew if you actually have a machine. But if you don't, you can actually sew it like this. The difference between that and this is that this is not elastic, and I tried using my crochet pin on it, but it tore, and I was so grateful that I bought my own Swiss lace. So yeah, this one is more breathable and elastic, so my crochet pin can actually go through it and it will not tear. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm using my pins to, pin the sides. Just assume it's the part you're sewing. Yes, I'm just using this to show you how to actually secure your lace for sewing. So this is just, can't you see it's looking good? It looks so real. Imagine it's sewn. It's going to be so nice. So let's measure again. So to measure, as you can see, it's exactly 4 inches, and then horizontally it's actually 5 inches. And remember, we left some space we are going to cut out at the end. So if you pull it down, as you can see, it's 4 inches. Yes, so I really hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something from this video. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.